In this video, let us focus on a question from CSIR NET December 2024. We are given a sum of infinite series 1 by 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 raised to 4 etc. up to infinite terms. This is equal to pi raised to 4 divided by 90. We have to find this sum of the infinite series 1 by 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus 1 by 5 raised to 4 plus etc. We can do this easily if we use calculator. In the first three options, if you calculate the value using a calculator, all of them are less than 1. Only option 4 is greater than 1. And in the given series for which we have to calculate the sum, you can see that the first term is 1 and then you are adding some positive terms. So of course this will be greater than 1 because you are adding to 1, you are adding positive terms, which means it will be greater than 1. But this will not work if you are given multiple options which are greater than 1. So let us use the systematic method to solve this. What we can do is we can name this series as S. Then S can be written as 1 by 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus 1 by 5 raised to 4 plus etc. plus 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 raised to 4 plus 1 by 6 raised to 4 plus etc. Now let us name this as S odd, because in all of the terms of this sum we have odd numbers raised to the power 4. And let us name this sum as S even, because in all of the terms in this sum the denominator is nothing but an even number raised to 4. Therefore we can write S is equal to S even plus S odd. This is S odd. We have to find S odd. Now S even can be written as, if we take 1 by 2 raised to 4 common, then we can write S even is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus etc. Now what is 1 by 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus etc.? This is nothing but S. Therefore we can write S even is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 4 times S. Therefore we have S even is equal to 1 by 16 times S. Now equation 1 says S is equal to S even plus S odd. Equation 2 says S even is equal to 1 by 16S. Therefore we can write S odd is equal to S minus S even. This we can write from equation 1. S odd is equal to S minus S even. Now from equation 2 you can substitute the value of S even. S even is nothing but 1 by 16S. Therefore we have S odd is equal to 15 by 16 times S. Now it is given that S is equal to pi raised to 4 by 90. The sum 1 by 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus etc. This we gave a name S and it is equal to pi raised to 4 by 90. Therefore S odd is equal to 15 by 16 times S. Value of S is pi raised to 4 divided by 90. If you evaluate this will be equal to pi raised to 4 divided by 96. Therefore the correct option here is option 4.